In 2021, Väderstad is combining its world-leading high-capacity planting and precision seeding technology into one. Introducing the all-new Tempo Al32 with central seed fill, built for top performance together with the Seedhawk air cart. The high-speed planter Väderstad Tempo delivers the greatest planting precision in the farm industry. Tempo handles a full range of crops, from small seeds like canola to corn and high rates of soybeans. The Tempo Al32 comes with 15-inch row spacing and the ability to lock every other row unit in the upper position to create 30-inch row spacing. Tempo Al32 is equipped with an 85-bushel seed hopper, sending out seeds to the high-precision row units. When the seeds have reached the row units, the well-proven Tempo metering system with power chute technology takes over to grant each seed the best start possible. The Seedhawk 660 air cart provides enormous capacity for your fertilizer needs. The fertilizer can be applied in two different ways: side-banded beside the seed furrow or in row with the seed. Väderstad Tempo and Seedhawk, taking precision and capacity to the next level.